In the Northwest Highlands in the 1860s, postman Kenneth McLennan would walk twice a week from Achilty to Ullapool along this spectacular coastal trail. The route, known locally as the Postie's Path, remained in use as the main land route to Coyock Peninsula right up until the early 1900s. But sadly these days much of it's in a poor state and some sections are inaccessible to all but the hardiest of walkers. That's why Ramblers Scotland is part of a coalition of environmental groups who are joining forces to breathe new life into the path to help more people experience the natural beauty of this spectacular coastline.
It's been incredible today to get the chance to walk a section of the Postie's Path and to learn more about its rich history and its exciting future thanks to this restoration project. We've experienced some of the challenges on the route at the moment and it's just emphasised the importance of getting more good quality paths on the ground here in Scotland, one of the key aims of our Out There campaign. And that's why we're so happy to be able to award £10,000 towards the Postie's Path and help more people enjoy this very special place.
So the Postie's Path now is actually just from Blousery to Colna Craig, and it's about just over 13 kilometres. But it's quite challenging walk, so it needs work and it needs waymarking. And identify areas which are either particularly boggy or areas where there's braiding, and also the bridges which maybe are falling apart.
It's a long route, it's a real wild route, and parts of it are in a bit of a state, so it needs further work on it. We need more folk to come and visit and experience it. It's a bit out of the way, but when you get here, I think people think it's well worth it. It's a fantastic landscape, and this path is part of a bigger package to try and encourage more people to come and enjoy this part of the world.
Learn more at ramblers.org.uk/out there.